back again. I'm about to do that mix again. So welcome to the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel. So before we go into that, we're gonna go into this. I made 13 blend spices, 13 natural blend spices, completely 100%, no additive, no preservative, no salt is added in it either, and you can just put it in your mouth and eat it as well. So my recommendation, it's not recommendation, this is an all-purpose seasoning. All right, so this goes with anything. So basically what we're gonna do is, yesterday I did a mix from the starter, one by throw off, and I realized it did a reaction to the there's a reaction to when I put the thing in it, put the baking soda in it, and I'm about to try the same reaction again. So what I noticed it did was it just started swelling right on its own. If there's a baker that knows what it does, let me know. Just click it in the link. There it go. There it's doing its thing. So what it started doing is start foaming up and building its own. It started acting as an agent right away. Like 1, 2, 3. So this is just a testing purpose, and I'm working with it to see what I get, see what it does. I made fried dumpling from it. Never too care for the fried dumpling from it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a dough. See? Look at it. Look at the small amount that was in there, and it pops up more. So I'm thinking if I had probably, let's say for instance I had just a little bit more in there. Alright? If I had a little bit more in there, let's see how much it will activate it. And let's just test it. I can hear it doing its thing. Never seen that before. But hey, it's working. See? Look. It's actually active. It doubled the amount that was in there. So what I'm gonna do now, let me close this back up, put this out the way, because we're done with that. Let's get the flour. So, oh shoot, we get some more flour. I'm gonna add 1, 2 cups of flour in it. So let me grab some water. It didn't do well with the 2 cups of flour. What it did is just, so it needs a little bit more moisture in it. So, I was taught to need flour by my grandmother was always use a fork to start it, finger, and basically but always use a fork to start your mix. And look at how pliable that becomes. That becomes so pliable, so easy. But like I said, I'm gonna give this what is called a rest, like I hear them say, and see what it does from the rest, because this is just testing. Yesterday I didn't even care what it did. I just threw it in there. I just made fried dumpling from it yesterday. So now we're gonna make this rest. But better yet, I think what I might do, is do the roti. I'll try the roti with this mix. That's what I'll try. See? My hand ain't in it yet. My fingers haven't touched it as yet. It's just a fork. That's literally mixing this stuff. Just a fork. So yeah, I'm gonna do some Bussup Shut. That's what I'm gonna do. So the only thing I need to do is incorporate some oil into this. So like I said, that right now, grab the oil. Grab the oil, grab a spoon. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons to that. We're gonna mix the oil into that. Okay. And this kind of start looking like the more texture that I should have with the Bussup Shut. So I think I might find a way to do the Bussup Shut. But let's see what happens. This is just trial. Alright? Trying this stuff out. Okay? Trying it out. This is why it's a kitchen where you do your thing. And in the instruction of doing the Bussup Shut, this is actually working like how they ask, like how they say it should work. You pull it over, you pull it over, pull it over. You don't need it. Pull it over, pull it over, pull it over, pull it over, wrap, pull over. Yeah. So this you can make rest for a day or so. So one other thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the Saran wrap, drop it in the Saran wrap, and cover it up. Close this. Put this back out the way. Oh. Yeah, so alright. Close that back up. Need some flour in that. Gotta get it poured in there. I need Saran wrap. I could put it in the bag too, but Saran wrap works out better. Because then I use the Saran wrap. It's just one use a bag. I use up a whole bag just for that. And knowing me, I don't like to waste, so what I do, alright, let's get this. Let's get this and this. Like I say, we don't waste. My grandmother, she don't use plastic in the kitchen. She use mostly either terminology in Jamaica is pudding pan. So what pudding pan is, it's a metal mixing container. We'll lock it up. We'll lock it up so we don't get no air into it. So this is a dough gonna sit for a little bit. And we're gonna make some Bussup Shut with that. Just like that. I'm 100% one of those people who believe that, you know, stuff like this should be done on a coal stove, but in America, I ain't got no coal stove, number one, and I can't go outside with that. And this is an apartment, it don't come with one of those things that you can, one of them stove that you can put, a wooden stove that you can put stuff into. Gotta be out in the country for them kind of stuff, or have your own house for them kind of stuff when saying so. So with that, we're gonna close out. Don't forget, Aunt May 13 blend spices, natural 100%. Aunt May is my grandmother. 13 blend, Aunt May 13 blend spices, 100% natural, no additives, no preservatives, no salt, 100%. All you gotta do is just put a tip in your mouth. You know what? I'm not gonna open this packet because those packets like are for folks. Pretty much my packet just the same way. But here we go. That's it right there. Alright? So when I say you're supposed to be able to put this in your mouth. I need to support to. Alright. This is flavor. This is good. This is nice. There you go. Aunt May 13 blend spice. Call me. Reach out to me. And say, well, then okay, I need a packet. Should be able to get it shipped to you. Alright. Thank you. Peace.